Hey guys, it's Chantel. Thank you for tuning in. So we're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Welcome to Introduction to Mac. Today we will learn what is a Mac. We'll look at Mac icons, using multi-touch gestures on a Mac, using the dock, using Launchpad, and lastly, keyboard shortcuts. Macintosh is the name for Apple's computer line. All Macs are made by Apple, but not all Apples are Macs. The Mac family consists of MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Mini, MacBook Pro with Retina display, and Mac Pro. MacBooks perform best on hard surfaces, ideally with nothing covering the vents on the MacBook to help prevent it from overheating. Make sure to occasionally clean your laptop also. You can also use a can of compressed air to help get dust off of a keyboard. To clean the screen of a laptop, try to use a microfiber cloth. Towels and reusable cloths can leave streaks and lint behind on your surface, making it look worse. But keep in mind to not use alcohol wipes to try to clean your screen because it can damage the screen. Also, you have to keep the digital health of your laptop in mind. Typically, most laptops come with a built-in firewall. You should also look into getting a free antivirus and run a scan every week or two to make sure your computer is safe. The two biggest operating systems are Windows and Mac. While they both are the backbone of how a machine works and share similar programs, their designs and layout are rather different. Today we'll be learning about MacBooks. One of the most important functions of a laptop is accessing the internet. By default, Macs come with Safari. You can FaceTime on your MacBook, but you may also want to install Google Chrome. Google Chrome is necessary for those who want to video chat using Facebook Messenger. Icons look like the items that they represent. For example, your hard disk volume icon, Macintosh HD, looks like a hard drive. A text document looks like a piece of paper. And a folder icon looks like a folder where you store papers. App icons are genuinely unique, so they stand out from one another. Folders contain other files like your documents or apps. File icons genuinely display a document with an app logo or image that lets you know what application created it or opens it. And now for how to use the touchpad. In the bottom center of the MacBook will be the touchpad. You can place your finger on it and move it around to move your cursor around on the screen. If you need to open a program, you can click on it by tapping on the touchpad with one finger. If you need to right-click, use two fingers and click on the touchpad with both of them. Alternatively, you may have two buttons under the touchpad as well. These will serve as your left and right click buttons. The touchpad uses multi-touch gestures. You can tap, swipe, pinch, or spread one or more fingers to perform useful actions. You can zoom by double tapping with two fingers to zoom in or out, or you can pinch with two fingers to zoom in or out. You can scroll by sliding two fingers up or down to scroll. You can rotate a photo by moving two fingers around each other. You can swipe between pages by swiping left or right with two fingers to show the previous or next page. You can use the three-finger drag to drag items on your screen. Then click or tap to drop. Now let's learn about the MacBook Dock. The dock on a Mac is located on the bottom screen of the Mac. It contains commonly used programs and up to 3 of your last used programs. The dock allows you to quickly access the programs by left-clicking once on the icon of the program you want to use. For instance, to use your internet browser, you would move your cursor to the compass icon and left-click on it to open the Safari web browser. Some other commands you can use with the dock include how to open a file in an app. Drag the file over an app's icon. For example, to open a document you created in Pages, drag the document over the Pages icon in the dock. To show an item in the Finder, hold down the Command key and click the icon of the item. To review, the dock holds your favorite apps, documents, and more. When an application is open, the dock displays an illuminated dash beneath the application's icon. To make any currently running application the active one, click its icon in the dock. And now for organizing the dock. The dock keeps apps on its left side. Folders, documents, and minimized windows are kept on the right side of the dock. If you look closely, you can see a virtual separator line that separates these two sides. If you want to rearrange where an icon appears on the dock, just drag it to another location in the dock. The trash and the Finder are special items, so they are always present at each end of the dock. If you want to add an application to the dock, click the Launchpad icon in the dock, then drag an app icon from the Launchpad to the dock. Removing an item from the dock doesn't permanently remove it from your computer. If you want that item back in the dock, locate the app, file, or folder in the Finder or Launchpad and simply drag it back to the dock. If you want to minimize a window, click the round yellow button in the upper left corner of any window. Green is for maximizing and red is for closing a program. You can choose how to display folders in the dock. You can either view them as a folder icon or as a stack. The dock includes the trash. Its icon looks like a wastebasket. Drag any documents you no longer want to the trash to get rid of them. When you move items to the trash, you haven't completely deleted them. You can click the trash icon in the dock to see what it contains. When you're ready to permanently delete files or folders that you've dragged to the trash, click and hold the trash can in the dock and choose Empty Trash. If you drag a disk or SD card to the trash, it changes to an eject icon to let you know that this action ejects or removes the item rather than erasing or deleting it. We'll continue with part 2 of Intro to Mac next week.
Thank you for tuning in. I hope that you learned a lot and had fun. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.